Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. According to Robert Kiyosaki, if you invest $100 in a Shiba Inu today, you will become wealthy. The price of Shiba Inu appears to be holding on to a significant support level created during the last 3 months. 2 weeks ago, an explosive move was the result of a consolidation along this barrier. Investors are therefore looking forward to another surge despite the current consolidation. This video will discuss Robert Kiyosaki's affirmation that investing $100 in a Shiba Inu today will make you wealthy. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent articles on expert analysis and pricing forecasts for Shiba Inus, share and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. Satoshi Kusama, the inventor of memecoin, used Twitter to defend Shib holders against people attempting to create doubt and confusion throughout the ecosystem. The cost of a Shiba Inu is closed. The POC at $0.0118 is an important support level. This barrier was essential in starting the previous run-ups for Shib and has the highest traded volume level since April 11th. The Deutsche Coin Killer began a 53% climb on August 14th at $0.179, resulting in a double top. Shiba Inu's price has since reversed the gains and is once again at the POC, poised to resume a comparable move. The bulls appear to be missing or unresponsive thus far. However, if Shib consolidates here for a sufficient amount of time, sparking a surge in buyers, it might trigger a fast run-up. The equal high that created at $0.0179 is the immediate mark that bulls or the smart money will want to target. Therefore, after retesting the $0.79 barrier, a rebound off $0.18 might lead to a 52% gain. Although this perspective is simple to see, investors must be at ease with the POC's breakdown and the resulting 9% loss. Shib will be knocked down by this move and will likely retest the immediate support level at $0.0106. However, a bounce to $0.0179 would result in a gain of 68%. The third result will also have the same aim, but Shiba Inu's price may decline to $0.83, which would satisfy the imbalance first, rather than establishing support at $0.0106. If a rally occurs at this point, it will increase by 104% and retest $0.017 at $9. Investors can dollar-cost average their investments at the key support levels listed above regardless of the various possibilities, as opposed to waiting for a perfect bottom and missing out on the uptrend. But if it were to, it would result in a daily candlestick close below the $74.0 mark. It will result in a lower low and invalidate the bullish thesis for the Shiba Inu award if there isn't a swift recovery. The substantial revamp of the network is being eagerly anticipated by the Shiba Inu community. As a result, the Shiba Inu development team also announced a metaverse milestone along with the hub debut. A cryptocurrency called Shiba Inu has experienced rapid growth in recent months. The digital asset was first made as a parody of Dogecoin but has subsequently evolved into a distinct thing. Shiba Inu has drawn a lot of interest in August as the asset price rises. The Shibaswap ecosystem's governance token is called BONE. Holders are given the opportunity to vote on proposals, with the influence of their vote based on the quantity of their holdings. The price has been unable to go past the $120 horizontal resistance region since the year's commencement. It attempted 3 unsuccessful breakouts throughout this time. However, the price started a quick upward rise on August 19th and successfully broke out on August 29th. In 10 days during this upward movement, BONE increased by 200%. On the 11th day, the rising trend was resumed. The listing of BONE on the Bluebit exchange coincided with the intensification of the upward movement during the previous 2 days. At $210, it is currently trading at the resistance level of the 261 external fib retracement, creating a 3.61 external fib retracement resistance level. If breached, the next barrier would be at $2.65. A bone chart displaying the price's $2 high was tweeted by a cryptocurrency and stock trader at Mind and Trading. He predicted that $2.60 would be the next point of resistance. The 361 external Fib retracement level lines up with the resistance zone. The RSI values support the continuance of the upward trend toward the specified targets when compared to the prior downward movement. The indicator's breakout from a descending resistance line is the first explanation. The second is that, despite the daily RSI being overbought, there is no bearish divergence. In the 6-hour time range of the RSI, there is no bearish divergence either. On the other hand, despite being heavily overbought, the signal is rising. Therefore, the most likely scenario is that a rise toward at least the $2.65 region may take place. It goes without saying that the August 19th sell-off shocked the cryptocurrency market. The grave circumstances in the macro picture are still being warned about by market skeptics. Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, two emerging meme tokens, are among the victims of the sell-off. Before the crash, dog kept moving ahead of its rival on the crypto ranking charts. Both currencies were enjoying their respective positive activity. Shiba Inu, on the other hand, dropped in the rankings and moved further down the food chain. At the time of publication, it was at position 14, having dropped 2 spots over the weekend. At the time of publication, Dogecoin was trading at $61, down 7.9% week over week and 3.54% over the previous day. Shiba Inu wasn't much better, trading at $0.1193 after losing 3.25% over the previous day. Furthermore, over the last week, the Shib token fell by more than 7%. Shib's efforts to explore the metaverse were made public, and according to CoinMarketCap, certain sections of the cryptocurrency industry thought it was a joke. How can a meme token claim the metaverse was one of its goals when it has no known use? Well, the newest Shib update indicated that there was no halting it, thus the fears might not be allayed. On September 3rd, Shib declared that it had made a daring move in the direction of the mission. Shib said that we will all succeed on its official blog. The temple undertaking was progressing. The announcement was followed by a suggested design for the temple. Are we going to all survive? The Shib looked at many architectural styles from 6 different cities, according to its communication. Shib had listed Beijing, New Delhi, Japan, Hawaii, South Africa, and Myanmar as the locations to draw inspiration from in his early designs. Shib pointed out that the community must vote to approve the idea. Most of the Shib army's comments appear to be in agreement. The Shib price, however, has not risen as a result of the upgrade. Despite a $305.37 million increase in volume, a peek at the CoinMarketCap revealed that Shib had decreased by 17% over the past 24 hours. A burn rate of 47.19% down, and a total of 69,087,091 Shib tokens burned during the same time frame indicated a similar pattern. In a recent tweet, Robert Kiyosaki said that the market meltdown he predicted for 2013 had already occurred. He warned that investors could lose millions of dollars in a single situation. Kiyosaki advises utilizing this period to increase your wealth. Remembering Warren Buffett's adage that the ideal moment to purchase is when the markets are rife with blood, it is challenging to disagree with him. In accordance with the status of the market, the S&P 500 continued to move downward and recovered from the $4,000 to $3,950 support level. As a result, investors continued to hold Shiba Inu and purchase Shiba tokens since the price is set to soar. Shiba Inu is now the 14th most valuable cryptocurrency by market cap, at a price of 0.2 per coin, because Robert Kiyosaki thinks it will soar in value. The majority of observers anticipate a sideways movement in the cryptocurrency market over the coming months, which should likely also be the case for Shiba Inus. However, it will be intriguing to see how far the bull market can take the price of Shiba Inu and how promising the outlook for meme currency is. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.